Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reconcile in the MYOB app. So if you are struggling with reconciliation, I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to actually get it done. But before, you may have some financial chaos, you may have some tax errors, some supplier disputes, and then at the end of the day, this all leads to a loss of cash flow. And this, of course, can be very troubling. So let's get into the step by step. First of all, navigate to banking. From your dashboard, go to bank transactions and verify all bank feed transactions are received and properly categorized within your system. Click Reconcile Account and then enter the closing statement balance and your statement date from your bank statement. Tick off transactions that appear on your statement. MYOB automatically updates the calculated balance in real time while you're working. And when you've calculated and statement balances are matching, then click on Reconcile and export your reconciliation report for your own records. And here's a pro tip. Regular monthly reconciliation prevents small discrepancies from becoming major headaches. So set a recurring calendar reminder to stay on track and stay on top of your accounts.